Hello, dear students. Today we'll speak about fashion footprints. You know that the clothes describes who you are, what we want to be, and they show our personality. We need clothes even we don't care about fashion. Clothes are our second skin. What is the connection with our lesson theme? The fashion footprint we can separate in two words: fashion moda, footprint, urmă picior. So it means that we leave an impact on our environment. Ceea ce înseamnă că noi prin utilizarea hainelor lăsăm un impact, o urmă în mediul înconjurător. Why? Because fashion industry has a huge impact on our planet, and we all affect it with our choices. Because fashion industry, while producing clothes, they produce harmful carbon emissions than the aviation and shipping industries combined. So if you want to know how dirty is your closet and to see your fashion footprint, please pass these two quizzes, this one and this one, and also go to the third link to find how to reduce your fashion footprint. What is your homework? Your homework is to understand the word fashion footprint and to understand or to change your opinion on fashion footprint. Thank you very much.